Hi guys, welcome back to Mass Knowledge. So today we are going to see the unboxing of the Glap Play from Samsung. So I have my S22 here, it's S22 Plus, and I'm going to I got this as a free gift from Samsung. Okay, so we are going to unbox this. I think this model came out in 2019. Okay, and what's great about this Glap Play is that we can play games and we don't have to configure the buttons, okay, for most of the games. Okay, so let's check it out. Wow. You guys, I hope you can see this. So it comes with a card. Okay, thank you for choosing Glap. Okay, and you can see that actually blend for the Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so I think this is about 4 years ago. Okay, so see Glap. Okay, now let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, just look at that. So this is the controller. Okay, and we have a player guide here. Look what's in. Okay, so it's a manual. Okay, it also comes with a few cards, stickers for Glap. Okay, what's more here, I think this is the charger. It's great, it's a USB Type-C charger. Now let's keep the box all aside and go to the controller. Okay guys, this is the controller and you can see this caution, risk of trapping the finger. Okay, and now as you can see here, okay, there's a button to pull so that you can open up your, let's say open. Okay, so I can pull. Okay, and when I press this button, it closes. So that's the safety measure. Okay, let's try to put my S22 Plus with the casing here. So okay, it's not fitting fine. Okay, let's see. Now let me just push the button behind. Okay, so that's how it looks, guys. And you can see the case is pushing a bit, but it's okay. Okay, now let's see. Let power on. You can see the blue color light there. Okay, let me just connect my phone first. Okay, go to Bluetooth. Okay, you can see Glap Play is right there. Okay, let me just connect the Glap Play. Pair. Oh, it's so easy and we are in, guys. So you just go to Glap Play here. So it's an input device. Okay, let's go to the games now. Okay. Okay, as far as I know, okay, let's see for Tekken whether it works. Oh my god guys, it works for Tekken. Okay. As you can see, I'm just using the... Okay, there's no problem in Tekken. Let's go with Paul.
Get ready for the next match.
Continue.
Round one. Fight.
Okay guys, if you see the controller, we have two controllers here, two controllers at the back here, a joystick, okay, another console here, and as usual. So this is our home button, Bluetooth, okay, this is play. Okay, now let's go to continue. Okay, let's see if anything works. Okay, these two work. this is to go back. Okay. Bye.
KO. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. No gain. Get ready for the next match. Round 1. Fight. KO. You win. Round 2. Fight. KO.
Now this is fantastic, guys.
Nothing like a good workout. Get ready for the next match.
So we are going to play a few Tekken games.
Show me what you got.
Okay, so this is I'm using the Tekken emulator games. Come on, come on, come on.
KO. You win. Round 2. Fight.
Okay, guys, the second game. This is a bomb squad. Okay. Okay guys, so far from what I see, it works very well with Alpha 9 Bomb Squad. It doesn't work with Street Fighter, but I think it works with King of Fighters. Okay, and the emulator games, so far I used Taken, wasn't be a problem. Okay guys, that's all for today. So as you can see, okay, this is a beautiful remote. Okay, and it's better not to use a case because there's a slight bump you can see here, but I prefer to play the games like this. Okay, let's try and see if I use without the case. Let me just remove it. Let me just put the phone inside. Okay, without the case it's much more stable. Okay, and you can see the controllers works anywhere, even in the front screen. You can see the controller works well. So I think this is a good buy. Okay, if you all are interested in this. Okay, so this controller, the pros is you don't have to map any buttons. Okay, it works straight. Okay, and it works with most of the games. Okay, and they have a list of games where it works. Okay, you can see all the buttons works well. Okay, maybe there are a few games you cannot play. Okay guys, so for if you ask me, this controller, okay, it works without any problem. Okay, and it works for most of the games. Okay, especially the main games, Alpha 9, Bomb Squad. Okay, it doesn't work for Street Fighter. Okay, but it works for King of Fighters. Marvel Champions, I'm not sure, but most importantly it works for my emulator game. Okay, which is the Taken
Get
games.
ready for the next match.
Okay, I'm getting ready. So guys, if you want to see more of this controller and also my Galaxy S22 videos, you can always subscribe to my channel and also click the like button if you think my content is good, and put on some comments and any more videos where you want to see about this Glap Samsung controller, or also Galaxy S22 videos. Okay guys, thank you.